Okay, so when you're finished with your little drawings showing the journey that the little girl took in the story Seven Crows, you're going to click on the link that I have there in the slide, and it's going to ask you to type in your name. We know how to type in our name. Please type in your full name so that I know who you are. And when you enter, it will show you this. It says post a picture of your drawing here. To post a picture of your work, because I want you to be able to see your classmates' work, and I want your classmates to be able to see your drawings and what you did. So you're gonna come down here where it has this picture icon and you're gonna click on it. Now you need to take the picture first and save the picture. If you're saving it on your computer, name the picture Seven Crows. If you're saving it on your tablet, just make sure you know where to find your picture. Go into your gallery and then you can put it on. So after you save the picture, take it first and save it. You come here and you click on this icon and it will pop up here. Now you can, if you have the picture on your desktop, you can just drag it in. But if you don't, all you need to do is click here, tap, like click on it, and it will allow you to go search for your pictures. So if you, let's say I want to use this picture, right? Just for an example, I will click on open and it will load up my picture. I press save and it will send the picture. Once you press save, it will show up here, and then when you're ready, you press post and it will send the picture and your friends will be able to see your drawing. Okay, so you go ahead, take your picture when you're finished and post it here and let us see how you did. Bye.